My name's Bennett Brown. I'm the Building and Grounds Superintendent with the town of Mooresville. We operate the golf course, cemeteries, parks, and several building maintenance, several projects like that. So we're pretty versatile on the different things we do. The majority of our products we use now are gasoline-powered equipment. The weed eaters, hedge trimmers, mowers, things for the landscaping side. The pole saws, chainsaws. We do have a very active and large landscaping division. So really didn't have a lot of confidence in the battery powered. The small hand tools that we have used in the past were battery powered, just didn't hold up to what we needed it to do. So we were a little reluctant, to be quite honest. It totally has changed our mind. Here at the golf course, the mower, never had an idea we could use a battery powered mower and get these results. The chainsaw, we have found it to be an amazing piece of equipment. So we are looking at it totally different now. Several of the tools we have found to be very positive. The pole saw has had great reviews from the guys. The hedge trimmers, I think, has been probably our #1 item. The extended pole hedge trimmer is another that our guys have really enjoyed. These pieces of equipment definitely have been able to uphold and withstand our work, so it's been very positive. Going green is something I think all the industry is going to have to look at in the future. With the issues we've had with gasoline, like I mentioned, the transportation, things like that, it's getting harder and harder to do, and it's requiring more and more activity for us just to do it safely. So I see the battery powered as being a positive thing. It appears to me like we're possibly on to something with these style batteries. This type of equipment, it definitely will be something that our department will look at in the future. But I would encourage everybody, let's try these things. I really feel like this is the wave of the future, and we need to get aboard and start learning this, figure out what will work for our industry. So I would encourage the other departments and other businesses to go ahead and try this.